cruel. That is how one homeless advocate describes a recent ruling from the Colorado Court of Appeals. The court upheld Boulder's decades-long camping ban last week.
The law bars camping or lodging on any property without consent. Violators could face fines of more than $2,000 and up to 90 days in jail. Denver 7's Boulder County reporter Colin Riley is committed to covering the effects of this ruling. He has reaction tonight from a local advocate.
The lawsuit was originally filed in 2022 by the ACLU of Colorado. And in 2024, that lawsuit was dismissed after a U.S. Supreme Court decision found that camping bans did not violate the U.S. Constitution. The ACLU of Colorado didn't give up there and then filed for an appeal. Last week, the group got their answer from a court. The Colorado Court of Appeals said in part, the division concludes that the Colorado constitutional right to freedom of movement does not include a fundamental right to shelter on public property. The court went on to say in part, no matter how sympathetic their plight, these circumstances alone don't create new state constitutional rights. After the decision, Tim McDonald, legal director at ACLU of Colorado, said, we are deeply disappointed by this decision. This is a devastating, though hopefully only temporary blow to the promise of the Colorado Constitution. The ACLU went on to say the city of Boulder is, quote, lacking sufficient shelter space, and that the city, quote, continues to punish conduct that is inseparable from survival. For context, I spoke with Anna Miller, an advocate for the unhoused in Denver and someone who has faced homelessness herself.
You are basically criminalizing someone for surviving. By taking away any means of protection, even just blankets, you are leaving people, especially in the wintertime, in a position where they can die.
Miller argues that cities should focus more resources on shelter and housing solutions.
They need to step up and either A, open more shelter space, or B, start working on some form of housing.
I also reached out to the city of Boulder. They declined to interview, but sent this statement, which reads in part, the city of Boulder appreciates the Court of Appeals decision. Homelessness remains a serious and complex issue, and the city will continue working with service providers and regional partners to connect people with shelter. In the meantime, people like Anna Miller aren't sure what legal options to pursue next and worries for those impacted by the camping ban.
It puts people in an increasingly stressful and just cruel position.
I'll continue following this issue, and please let me know your thoughts. You can reach out to me at the email below. I'm Colin Riley, your Boulder County reporter for Denver 7.
Scan that QR code to get in touch with Colin. He's our Boulder County reporter here at Denver 7. You can also email him if you prefer at colin.riley@denver7.com. The city of Denver has an urban camping ban as well, and cracking down on encampments was a big part of Mayor Mike Johnston's agenda when he entered office. The ban makes it unlawful to camp on private property without the consent of the property owner. It's also unlawful to camp on public property without the city's consent. Encampments were a major city problem before Mayor Johnston entered office, and the mayor says his administration's efforts reduced street homelessness by 45% between 2023 and 2025.